These genius kitchen gadgets make cooking almost effortless. But don't miss number 6, because the final gadget is so clever, it feels like it's doing the work for you. Slice, chop, and prep like a pro with the Supmakin Safe Mandolin Slicer. Designed for safety and convenience, this versatile kitchen tool features adjustable thickness settings for perfectly sliced potatoes, vegetables, and more. Fast, efficient, and easy to use, it makes meal prep a breeze. All for just $40. Make breakfast faster and easier with the Fohere 2-in-1 Omelette Waffle Maker. Featuring a powerful 1400W heating system, 180 degrees flip design, and adjustable browning control, it lets you cook 2 fluffy omelets and 1 crispy waffle at the same time. Non-stick and convenient, it's a breakfast powerhouse for just $49. Upgrade your kitchen versatility with the Sankan Smoothie Blender and Food Processor Combo. Powered by a strong 600W motor, it comes with 2 large 8-cup bowls and handles slicing, shredding, mixing, pureeing, dough making, and smoothie blending with ease. BPA-free and multifunctional, it's the all-in-one solution for fast, healthy, and effortless meal prep. All for just $76. Enjoy endless cooking possibilities with the versatile 2-in-1 hot pot and griddle cooker. Perfect for frying, grilling, boiling, and roasting, this all-in-one appliance features a durable die-cast aluminum body, eco-friendly non-stick coating, and powerful 1200W fast heating for delicious meals with less mess. Designed with safe insulated operation, a tempered glass lid, and compact plug-and-play convenience, it's the perfect addition to any kitchen. All for just $254. Organize your kitchen in style with the 5-tier kitchen fruit vegetable storage cart. Featuring 5 spacious rotating baskets, this versatile storage rack keeps fruits, vegetables, snacks, spices, and pantry essentials neatly arranged and easy to access. The sturdy floor-standing design and smooth rolling wheels make it simple to move wherever you need extra storage. Perfect for kitchens, pantries, and dining areas, all for just $66. Speed up food prep like a pro with the WantJoin 5-in-1 electric vegetable chopper. Equipped with durable stainless steel blades, this powerful 5-in-1 machine handles slicing, dicing, chopping, and shredding with precision and ease. Perfect for restaurants, catering, or busy home kitchens, it delivers consistent results while saving valuable prep time. Efficient, versatile, and built for heavy-duty performance. All for just $170. Grate, shred, and zest with ease using the Lantana stainless steel cheese grater with container. Featuring 6 essential grating functions from fine to coarse, a built-in container with lid, and a sturdy stainless steel design, it keeps your kitchen clean and efficient. Compact, versatile, and easy to use. All for just $18. Enjoy delicious indoor grilling with the Kitchen Non-Stick Grill Pan. Designed for induction and gas stoves, this versatile grill plate features a durable non-stick surface for easy cooking and cleanup. Perfect for steaks, vegetables, and barbecue-style meals at home. All for just $42. Make barbecue prep faster and cleaner with the Drip Easy Collapsible Barbecue Prep Tubs 2-piece set. Marinate, store, and prep food with ease using these extra-large tubs, complete with a cutting board and secure lid. Collapsible for space-saving storage and built for serious grill masters. Get this versatile 2-piece set today for just $100. Make movie night snacks fast and fun with the Elite Gourmet EPM 330M Automatic Stirring Popcorn Maker. This 12-cup popcorn maker features automatic stirring for evenly popped kernels, a built-in reversible serving bowl, and a handy measuring cap for perfect portions every time. Safe, easy to use, and perfect for home parties and kids. All in a stylish mint design for just $26. Make kitchen prep easier with the Blue Ginkgo over-the-sink colander. Its extendable design fits most sinks, letting you wash fruits and vegetables, drain pasta, and even dry dishes while saving valuable counter space. Durable, versatile, and perfect for any home kitchen. Grab this must-have essential today for just $19. Organize your spices effortlessly with the Mustorn 2-pack pull-out spice rack organizer. Featuring a 2-tier metal design and smooth slide-out function, it provides easy access to all your seasonings. No drilling required, durable, space-saving, and perfect for keeping your kitchen cabinets neat and tidy. Upgrade your baking game with the wooden rolling pin 17.6-inch. Crafted from durable beech wood with smooth rotating ergonomic handles for effortless rolling. Perfect for pizza, pastries, bread, and cookies, this classic dough roller gives you even results every time. And at just $8, it's a must-have kitchen essential for every home baker. Say goodbye to hand washing with the Hava countertop dishwasher. Featuring 6 versatile wash programs, a built-in 5L water tank with no plumbing hookup required, and specialized baby care and air drying functions, it delivers powerful cleaning in a compact design. Perfect for apartments, RVs, dorms, and small kitchens, it saves time, water, and effort every day. All for just $339. Create perfect sealed meals in seconds with the CRIMPT Large Tortilla Sealer. Designed for 10 to 12-inch tortillas, it effortlessly makes tacos, quesadillas, and burritos without the mess. BPA-free and dishwasher-safe, it's a quick, fun, and easy way to upgrade your everyday cooking. Cook healthier and tastier meals with the Aosian 6-quart 2-tier steamer pot. Featuring a non-stick ceramic coating, spacious 2-tier design, and included ladle, it's perfect for steaming vegetables, dumplings, soups, and stews with ease. Oven and dishwasher safe for simple cooking and cleanup. All for just $50. Make perfect homemade burgers every time with the Shape Plus Store Burger Master 8-in-1 burger press. This innovative tool lets you press and store up to 8 delicious quarter-pound burgers with ease. Featuring a freezer-safe design, easy release system, and dishwasher-safe cleanup, it's the perfect kitchen gadget for burger lovers. All for just $26. Make perfect crepes and tortillas anytime with the Salton Cordless Electric Crepe Maker CM1337. Featuring a non-stick cooking surface, automatic temperature control, and a handy batter dish and spatula, it delivers smooth, evenly cooked crepes with ease. Portable, easy to use, and recipe-ready. All for just $47. Take your barbecue game to the next level with the Evtivu Rolling Grill Basket. Made from durable 304 stainless steel, this smart grilling tool lets you evenly cook vegetables, shrimp, and more with easy rolling action. The removable wooden handle offers a safe, comfortable grip, while the nesting design makes storage simple. Perfect for camping, outdoor cooking, and barbecue lovers. All for just $24. Cook delicious family-sized meals with the NewWave Medley XL Digital Electric Skillet. Featuring 2025 upgraded precision heating from 100 degrees to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, a spacious 7-quart capacity, PFAS-free ceramic non-stick coating, and a glass lid for easy monitoring, this portable skillet is perfect for frying, grilling, and sautéing with ease. Powerful, versatile, and easy to clean, all for just $119. Cook delicious meals anytime with the Cuisinart Griddler 5-in-1 indoor grill. Use it as a grill, panini press, sandwich maker, griddle, and more for endless cooking options. The dishwasher-safe non-stick plates make cleanup quick and easy, while the sleek stainless steel design looks great in any kitchen. Versatile, convenient, and only $100. Enjoy cleaner, fresher drinking water with the water filter pitcher with 150-gallon filtration. Featuring long-lasting 150-gallon filtration, fast purification technology, and WQA-certified performance, it helps remove chlorine, metals, and impurities for better-tasting water every day. Easy to use, reliable, and budget-friendly. All for just $28. Save space and simplify meal prep with this 3-pack collapsible colander set. Perfect for draining pasta, washing fruits, rinsing vegetables, and cleaning rice, these foldable strainers collapse flat for easy storage. The oversized draining tray adds extra convenience, making kitchen tasks faster and cleaner. Get this versatile set today for just $21. Enjoy fresh, healthy drinks at home with the 6.5-inch extra-wide feed chute cold press juicer. designed to handle whole fruits with less prep and maximum juice extraction. This powerful 3-in-1 machine makes juice, sorbet, and nut milk while preserving natural nutrients and flavor. Easy to clean and perfect for home kitchens or gifting, this premium juicer is available for $200. Turn kitchen scraps into nutrient-rich compost with the electric kitchen composter. This 4L indoor composting machine features odor-free operation, dual carbon filters, an upgraded brushless motor, auto-clean function, and a smart LED display. Reduce food waste effortlessly while keeping your kitchen fresh and clean. Go green from your countertop for just $221. Cook flavorful meals with ease using the iCook USC 65 OP001RD 6.5 quart slow cooker. Featuring a stovetop-safe aluminum pot for searing and sautéing, adjustable temperature settings, and a convenient food warmer function, it's perfect for soups, stews, and family dinners. Dishwasher safe with a glass lid for easy monitoring, all for just $63. Upgrade your kitchen with the Umite Chef 8-piece mixing bowl set. Made from durable stainless steel, these nesting bowls feature airtight lids, non-slip bottoms, and 3 built-in grater attachments for easy prep. Perfect for mixing, baking, serving, and food storage, all in one space-saving design. Get this versatile set today for just $30. Prep garlic faster and cleaner with the Garlic Appeal Garlic Press, an all-in-one tool that crushes, cuts, minces, and stores garlic with ease. Featuring sharp stainless steel blades, a silicone garlic peeler, and an easy-to-clean design, it's the perfect kitchen gadget for every home cook. Get fresh garlic flavor in seconds for just $19. Make breakfast faster and easier with the GD3-in-1 divided egg pan. Cook eggs, bacon, and pancakes at the same time with its smart multi-section design. Featuring a titanium-enhanced non-stick coating that's PFOA, PFOS, and PTFE-free, it's safe, durable, and induction-compatible. Upgrade your morning routine today for just $18. Measure ingredients with perfect accuracy using the electronic digital measuring spoon scale. Featuring a clear LCD display and 5 measurement units, this high-precision kitchen gadget is perfect for baking, coffee, spices, pet food, and more. Compact, easy to use, and budget-friendly, all for just $10. Cook healthier meals in minutes with the OXO Good Grips silicone steamer. Designed to fit a variety of pots, this flexible, heat-resistant steamer makes steaming vegetables, seafood, and more quick and effortless. Its non-slip handles ensure safe lifting, while the collapsible design allows easy storage. Upgrade your kitchen today for just $19. Keep your kitchen clean and organized with this ceramic spoon holder set. These heat-resistant utensil rests are perfect for holding cooking spoons, spatulas, and even cracked eggs while you cook. Designed for stovetops and countertops, they're dishwasher-safe for easy cleanup. Stylish, practical, and available in a convenient 3-pack for just $25. Create delicious custom sandwiches in minutes with the Hamilton Beach Sandwich Stacker. Its spacious non-stick, PFAS-free cooking surface lets you stack your favorite ingredients, while the built-in timer ensures perfect results every time. Compact, easy to clean, and dishwasher safe, this kitchen game-changer is yours for just $47. Make breakfast faster and more fun with the Dash Multi-Mini Waffle Maker. Designed to cook 4 delicious mini waffles at once for the whole family. Featuring dual non-stick heating plates, a fast heating system, and an easy-release surface, it delivers perfect waffles every time with quick cleanup. Compact, stylish, and perfect for busy mornings. All for just $39. Protect your cookware and keep it looking like new with REZIVI pot and pan protectors. These durable 3D mesh pads prevent scratches, dents, and damage when stacking pots and pans. Available in 3 convenient sizes, they help extend the life of your favorite cookware. All for just $12. Make baking easier and more fun with the 2026 new egg separator. A cute and clever kitchen tool that quickly separates egg yolks from whites with an easy squeeze and release design. Made from food-grade silicone, it's dishwasher safe, mess-free, and perfect for baking, cooking, and meal prep. Grab this handy kitchen gadget for just $13. Bake picture-perfect pies every time with the Talisman Design's adjustable pie crust shield. This flexible silicone protector prevents crust edges from burning while allowing the center to bake evenly. Adjustable to fit pies from 8 to 11.5 inches, it's reusable, easy to clean, and a must-have for baking lovers. All for just $12. Serve in style with the Also Go chafing dishes for buffet. This elegant 4-pack set features large 9-quart capacity trays, stunning gold finishes, and includes 4 serving tongs to keep food warm and presentation flawless. Perfect for weddings, banquets, parties, and family gatherings. All for just $122. Cook smarter and serve delicious meals with the Magnifique 4-quart programmable casserole slow cooker. This versatile 8-in-1 cooker features a removable non-toxic stoneware crock, rice cooking function, non-stick surface, and an oven-safe pot up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Perfect for slow-cooked casseroles, soups, and family dinners, all in one stylish design for $180. Simplify kitchen cleanup with the Magnetic Drainage Filter Basket 2.0 design. This magnetic corner basket catches food scraps, rinses produce with ease, and features a twist-open bottom for quick disposal, keeping your sink cleaner and more organized. All for just $22. Cook delicious meals in minutes with the Betty Crocker Pizza Maker Plus, a versatile indoor electric grill perfect for pizzas, quesadillas, tortillas, nachos, pancakes, and more. Featuring a spacious 12-inch non-stick cooking surface for fast heating and easy cleanup, it's the ultimate kitchen tool for quick family meals and snacks. Enjoy tasty homemade favorites for just $43. Strip corn kernels in seconds with the Dream Farm Core Peel. This clever, mess-free corn peeler glides smoothly down the cob, removing kernels quickly and safely without the hassle of a knife. Compact, easy to use, and perfect for salads, soups, and side dishes. All for just $13. Upgrade your kitchen with the Kichi Bamboo Cutting Board. Lightweight yet durable, this reversible board features a built-in juice groove to keep countertops clean while you prep. Dishwasher safe, easy to store, and simple to clean, it's the perfect kitchen essential and a thoughtful gift for home cooks. All for just $29.